want to know how to be an elite waver? Do you want to know how to be an elite waver? Do you? Like, are you even brushing to become an elite waver? Like, let's just lay it all on the table, all right? You know, it's not hard being an elite waver. Hey, my boy Lamont, hey, I know you got the tips to become an elite waver, man. Hey, just give me a rundown, man. What's tips, bro?
Yeah, what phone you on though, man? Your number didn't come up.
Yeah.
You on the shoe phone. Copy. You joking, right? What does it take to be elite? Alright, well look, as we breaking this down, man, you know what it takes, man. A little hard work, a few brushes, comb here and there,
for sure.
A little product. But most of all, man, it's patience. I know I've been waving a little bit, you know, about a year, almost a year now. I don't know yet. I couldn't tell you that. But yeah, man, anybody can do it, bro. Anybody can do it. And I mean, anybody can do it.
See, y'all heard it first, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all heard it from my boy Lamont, man. Big WTBD. All right, are you ready to become an elite waver? It's your boy TrapWaves, and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell, all right, and make sure you hit the like button, all right? This video right here is an exclusive video on tools of how to become an elite waver. That simple, straight on the table. Let's get into the discussion and stay tuned. Alright guys, we back from the intro. So first thing first, when you're trying to get an elite waves, you gotta have a brush, because you gotta brush, alright? That's the off the rip tip. So when you brushing, you want to have a vision of what type of pattern you actually trying to obtain, alright? You gotta actually know what angles to hit. You gotta actually know, basically have that elite mindset of exactly knowing what you're doing when it comes to brushing, alright? That's simple. You can learn from people that, you know, actually know what they're doing, like the elite wavers, the ones that are in the Wave Hall of Fame, the ones that's brushing. So if you're not on the Facebook pages, you missing out, alright? So make sure you go subscribe to Waves Are Life, or even Elite Spins. Oh, and I can't forget about brush connections. So, what is it that an elite waver do that you not doing? I'm happy you asked me that question, okay? I had to put my glasses on for this one. So, an elite waver use natural products. An elite waver know that he's not brushing enough, so he continue brushing. An elite waver will do a washing style, will do different methods, will figure out what will work for him and his texture to progress his pattern faster than some people that's just brushing their hair. It's a difference. You can brush your hair, or you can know exactly how to brush your hair and become elite faster than somebody that's just brushing, alright? And one thing that I definitely, you know, wanna, you know, touch on. You don't have to brush for 4, 5, 6 hours straight. I personally believe if you brush for 45 minutes to an hour, rag up, save your progress, come back in an hour or two and get another brush session in, you will see progress faster than you just going on a speedy brush session and bragging up and really you just not saving your progress, alright? I believe that, you know, brushing your waves is like, you know, playing the old Super Nintendo. You play Super Mario Brothers, what happened? If you don't save, you lose the whole progress of the game. So you gotta save your progress, save your progress. Alright, you watching this video, how bad do you wanna become an elite waver? Like, is it like from 1 to 10, you wanna be like 2, a 5, a 7, a 10? How much does it take? Are you doing what it takes? Are you brushing on a daily, staying consistent, doing what you're supposed to do to get to where you're going when it comes to brushing and getting waves? Are you? So we didn't discuss brushes, we didn't discuss using natural products. What haven't we discussed? Oh, do-rags, alright? You wanna get you a do-rag that's gonna work for your shaped head, alright? Listen, it's a plenty do-rags companies that got dope do-rags. For one, the one on my head, Sue Wavy Rags. Dope rag, alright? You got OVB, you know what I'm saying? You can buy one of my trap merch do-rags. You can buy wave caps. You can go to Walmart and buy a boo-boo cap. It's that simple. You figure out what works for you and you continue doing that because it works for you. So I was talking about oils, okay? This is Babassu oil or virgin Babassu oil. This oil right here, you know, is great for conditioning your hair. You know, it's a great carrier oil, all right? So shout out to 360 Jeezy, man, for putting me on this oil right here. And I'm putting you on it, you know? I'm pretty sure on his channel he done talked about this oil, but basically when you get it, it's gonna be broke down to an actual oil base. Put it in the freezer, make it look like this. As you can see, white, and it definitely, you know, when you put it in your head, for me, it's definitely working. So hey, if you want to go try it out, make sure you're in the comment section. Let me know when you use it. How did you like it? So what else is important in getting waves? Combs, all right? Comb. You want to comb your hair, all right? You want to comb your hair, all right? So this comb right here is a YS Park comb. You can cop it on Amazon. The link in my description box will take you there. Get this comb, but as you can see, I done took the teeth out this comb. And you think, do I still use it? Yes, I still use it. This one has actual teeth in it, alright? As you can see, you want to get you a coconut oil. It was infused with coconut oil. You got the baby tree, a baby tree. You want to get a baby tree, this will definitely help you with your crown. You want to get a wide tooth comb. Different combs all do different things. You know, ultimately, we're trying to work towards having elite waves. Alright, so if you think brushing is hard, in the comment section, let me know what's hard for you so I can be able to answer that question, alright? I want to answer your question to help you on the path of getting elite waves with me, alright? Because I'm trying to do the same thing. So let's show y'all, you know, what it's looking like up under here. I don't know, you know. I did a, you know what I'm saying, a washing style. I did a clay and lay. And we gonna see. It's gonna be a surprise just like it is for you. No lie. I ain't even looked at it. I've been ragged up. So let's see right now. You know, let's get the light on me. I don't want it too bright. So we gonna just take it off like this. You know, you see the rag, the Garfield. Let's see what the dip's looking like. Got a line on my forehead, but hey, we gonna put some light on that thing. You see that? You see them? See that? Let me just pick the light up for you. You see a fork right there, but it's cool because I'm trying to break it. But overall, man, you see the dips, man. You see it. I gotta get close up, let you see it. You know what I'm saying? That right there is me on the road to having elite waves. I'm a battle waver, alright? I'm a knowledge waver, alright? I try things that'll help me, and I take it to a whole nother level. People be like, what is you doing? I know y'all done seen in some of my old videos, I done put yogurt in my hair. I done put mayonnaise in my hair. It's because I try things to figure out what works for me, and I don't just stay in that little box that other wavers put every other waver in because they think, oh, it's that simple, just do a washing style, let's just do this. No, you figure out what works for you and you run with it if you want to become an elite waver. Hold on, man, I don't think they did any justice, man, to showing my waves, man. Listen, I got an edge up the other day, but as you can see, once I started brushing and pushing my waves, my hairline messed up, but it's cool though, because I got my own trimmers, I got my own clippers, so I'm gonna line it up right, and I'm gonna get it right. But you see the butters, and you can do the same thing. If you just follow the simple steps, all the other elite wavers do, and that's brushing, using natural products, combing, doing different methods, you know, just getting your knowledge up. Come to the pages, learn from other wavers, pick somebody that got the same pattern or the pattern you desire, and ask them questions, ask them what mistakes that they had, you know what I'm saying, in their wave journey. That simple. If you think brush for 10 minutes a day will get you wave, then I'm sorry to say, you will never become an elite wave. If you think putting Mary's pomade grease in your head and just piling it up, you gonna instantly get waves, you are sadly mistaken. And lastly, if you think putting a durag on your head gonna instantly get you waves, you truly sadly mistaken. So for all my wavers that really wanna become an elite waver, it's not that hard. It's very simple. Stay motivated, stay consistent, determination, the will to keep going, trust the process. That's what it takes. You see us brushing on live, you see us doing all this methods and things like that. It's because we trying to become an elite waver. And you ask me in my inboxes, what do I do differently? I'm telling you right here, it's that simple. Pick up a brush, have a vision, learn your angles, and most of all, don't let your barber mess your haircut up. Don't let your barber mess your haircut up. Cut your own hair and then go get an edge up and get a taper, a light taper. That simple. Man, it's your boy TrapWaves. If you ain't learned nothing in this video, I don't know what to tell you. But hey, stay tuned to my videos because I'm about to start dropping exclusive exclusive videos. I'm about to have a segment in a series coming real soon, alright? Hey, I did a giveaway, and I appreciate everybody that's coming on my channel saying Trap Pack. I appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? I just want to have traffic on my channel, and I want to start showing love. So with that being said, y'all see the picture of this waiver right here. His name is Terrence Jackson. He's from Chicago, Illinois. So salute to him. He has won my giveaway today. He has won the Trap Pack, alright? The Trap Pack is basically my shampoo bar and my merch do-rag, alright? So hey, salute to him. Salute to everybody that joined. And we're gonna continue doing this. You know, every video I'm gonna show love. Y'all show love. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you share my video, alright? And make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. It's your boy TrapWaves, and stay wavy. Salute.